क्या हुआ सर?
So, my dear friends, please keep your cameras on. Some are there like Kajal, Meena, Anuj is not visible, and I am able to see the fan of Gaurav. Simran is also, I don't know where is she. Anvi, I don't know where is she. You are not visible. So age. What do you think about age? We have different stages in our life. Different stages like childhood, infancy, infant. So first of all, we are infant. Then we are child. That is childhood. Then we are in our tiny age when we are from 11 to 12 to 18, 20 years, and then youth, young age, and then we move towards old age. So today you have to describe the age. If you can describe all the different ages, you are most welcome. And whatever you want to say about age, okay? And which age do you like the most? Childhood, young age, youth, or old age? So, what do you want to say? You are free to speak about it. So, I think the topic is clear to you. And also, I have got the names as usual. And okay, very good. So, we are starting our today's session, and that is also a speaking session. And please be careful at the time of framing phrases, at the time of framing clauses, at the time of putting the proper form of verb, prepositions. So today you have to keep these all things in your mind, and then you have to speak about the topic that I have told you. So first of all, I am calling Harsh. Come on, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsha. Today I'm going to tell you about age. Age is just a numerical value given by the world to describe a person's limit in his life. Like the last limit of a life is old age, and the starting age is infantry age. Different periods of age define the different capabilities of a man. Like childhood and infancy defines that the boy or girl are at a stage of developing and they do not have the mind to focus on anything.
आराम से
They
describe
are
करो
just
जितना as much as you can speak. Come on.
they are, they are just growing. They uh, they learn from their mistakes. They learn how to walk, run, and stand up. And the person whom they are most attached with are either their parents or their grandparents. And they are also this age is also the favorite of most of the people because in this age they are free from any burden in their life which they face after this age. And second age is teenagers. It is from 11 to 18, and this is my favorite age because in this we go to our schools where we make friends and we do a lot of things which gives us pleasure, and we are very and I like this also because me and my friends does a lot of
I
things
and
which
my friends. I and my friends. Me and
my
my
friends
friend. Yes.
and me we does a lot of
Me,
we
I,
do a
my
lot of
friends and I आएगा बेटा. Subject है वो.
okay sir.
हाँ.
My friends and I do a lot of things which gives us pleasure and we are happy in this age. And this next is adult. In this a person has a lot of stress because of his work, family, and the opportunities that he take on his shoulders. And the second last is just before the old age, where a person is about to retire from his life, and he is enjoying the last few years of his working age, and in this age they are fully settled in their life. They have home, family, and all the requirements. And then comes old age.
Hmm.
In old age, many
People.
in in old age many people feel doesn't do not feel good, as they are full, as their life full become full of sick, full of illness,
Hmm.
as they are just about to die. And if some people are lucky, then they die, then they suddenly die without any pain. But some people die from many diseases, like some from cancer, some from uh, TB, etc., which gives a lot pain,
विच गिव्स क्यों
to
आएगा? गिव आएगा, इतनी सारी बीमारियों के नाम आपने बता दिए हैं तो।
which give which give pain to the not only the sufferer, but also the one who but also to the ones who are spending money on him, because it's no use to spend the money, but they are bound to spend because they are their relatives and they do not want to lose them. And in this way the life cycle of a man or woman completes, and he enjoys if you want to live your life properly, then you should enjoy every moment of your life. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड। जितना बोल सकते हो ज्यादा ज्यादा बोलने की कोशिश किया करो, और थोड़ा सा फोकस किया करो चीजों पे, क्या बोल रहे हो, ग्रामेटिकली डिवाइसेस पे थोड़ा सा फोकस किया करो। सभी लोगों से कह रहा हूँ मैं ये बात। ओके। हाँ, यस, कम ऑन रक्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am giving my views on the topic age. So we know that what is age? It is a word, or we can say a thing that shows that how old is a person. And in this world, it is this word is set because if we want to know how old is a person, then we describe him or her as um, as uh, as a number of age, like the person is 15 years old, the person is 20 years old, and by this we know that who is big and who is small. So so we know that age, we do not think more about it, but it plays a very important role in our life, like and along with age we ca- ca- with we categorize age in different categories in a lifespan of a human or animals, like mainly humans, like first of all, when a child is born, he is infant for about 1 to 2 years, and then he comes to an age of childhood, in which starts to learn new things and starts to grow. And in this age, the time grows very rapidly. uh, it seems that the time is going very rapidly because the child is learning new things and he is interested in the things he or she is doing. And then after the childhood age, there comes the age of teenage, that is between 12 to 19 years. And this is a very important uh, age of a person's life, because in this age the most of the development of a human body takes place, from emotional development to physical development. And in this age the body focuses more on development and also on learning new things. And in this age a person is capable of doing many things.
हम्म।
and and then after the teenage there comes the young age or youth. And this is also very productive age of a person, because in this age the person is very energetic, and and he is able to do many tasks. and uh, and after this age we there comes the age of adult. And in this age the person gets a lot of experience of life, faces and and he or she has faced many difficulties and many happiness and many difficulties and very much happiness in life both together. And now he learned, and now he or she has learned many things about life, and in this age the person is the person it is an age when a person starts when a person uh, is doing work for earning his or her livelihood, and then there comes the old age. In this age the person becomes a little bit weak, because it is the age when a person loses some of his energy, uh, because the body, the functions of body uh, starts to work less than previous ages.
Hmm.
And in this age, and it is said that in the old age it seems that the time is going very slowly, because the person in the many persons in the old age get bored, because they have learned many things, they have experienced many things, so most of the things for them is not new, so they get bored, and they try to get into new work on new things. And so the point is that there are different ages, and the human body respond according to the ages. So so everyone should try to be fit in all the ages, and try to live all the ages. That's it, sir.
Very good. शाबाश बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, Anuj.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Anuj, and today the topic is age. So uh, it is famously said that age is just a number, and it is too, because in a life a human suffers from different types of ages.
शाबाश. Very good. Very good. हम बोलते रहो.
Yes, sir. So first of all, when a person gets birth, he is considered as infant or titled as infant or baby.
Hmm.
So in this year, he just sleeps the most, rests the most, and observes by his eyes the most.
Hmm.
And then it comes to the age preschooler, means the age before schooling,
Hmm.
before starting schooling. So in this age, a person, a baby or a child uh, learns from parents how to how to speak, how to conversation, and what to how to respond and how to react.
Hmm.
And
शाबाश.
then it comes to schooling or school age,
Hmm.
that can be said a child.
Hmm.
So in this years, it starts for a person to learn what is school, what is education,
Hmm.
how is it done,
Hmm.
what is how, what to do, how is it,
Hmm.
means how it goes.
Hmm.
And then the age comes of teenage, which is from 13 to 19.
Hmm.
Harsh mentioned that the teenage age is 11 to 18, but that is not. It is from 13 to 19, because the 13, it comes teen in the end, and 19 again it comes. So this is the teenage.
Hmm.
Or when a child suffers from teenage, he he completes his all primary, middle, and high school, and
Hmm.
then it comes to graduate from any university or college.
Hmm.
So it is not about education. I think I should focus more on in general. So then it comes to youth age, when a person faces mood swings, uh,
शाबाश. शाबाश.
emotions, feelings, failures, successes. and different things.
Hmm.
And then he decides that what he is gonna do or what he is gonna achieve in his or her life.
Hmm.
Then it comes to adult, which is like from 25 to 60 years.
Hmm.
And in this age, a person works the most, a person makes his family, a person lives in his family the most, and he enjoys living together the most.
Hmm.
And then it comes to the age of senior,
Hmm.
which is commonly titled as a senior citizen in our country.
Hmm.
So then it when it's about senior adult, uh, a person lives in his house only, and he has his grandchildren. A person has his grandchildren, so he plays with them. He reads newspaper or whatever commonly is done
Hmm.
by him. And then it's about to age when it is common to get through by diseases, different types of diseases, and he takes uh, capsules and medicines.
Hmm.
So then then he ends his life after means a person max to max in this era.
Hmm.
I think the number has decreased from 90 or 100 to 70 or 80,
Hmm.
because there is no pure things or good
Hmm.
things to eat, to
Hmm.
breathe, to eat, to drink.
Hmm.
So this is how it happens between ages. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, ऐसे एलिबरेट करने लगे हो आजकल आप लोग, वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप। काजल, काजल कहाँ गई? चलो इसको आने दो, तब तक हम गौरव को बुलाते हैं।
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here, and my today's topic is about the life or the age of a human. So, so what is age? First of all, age is just a way to describe some that how old is a guy and the stages of age. So, our life begins with the birth. We are lying on a bed near our mother in a hospital, and our father or our relatives are
शाबाश बेटा,
seeing
बहुत बढ़िया।
us and saying "kuchu muchu, baby, baby,
Oh,
cute,
like yes,
cute,"
yes, very good, very good. Yes, ऐसे ही बोलो,
and
बोलते
stretching
रहो।
our cheeks till Kashmir to Kanyakumari.
हम्म। हम्म।
and all and also after when a baby becomes a child in the age of 1 or like between 1 or 3, so he learns how to stand, how to speak some words,
हम्म।
and
सामने देख के
even
बोलो, सामने देख के बोलना चाहिए हमेशा, ऐसे ऐसे देख के बोलना चाहिए। हाँ।
and also some great kids learn to play games at this age only.
हम्म। नीचे
I-
नहीं,
I'm not
नीचे
one
नहीं
of
देखना है
them.
बिल्कुल भी, नजरें नीचे नहीं करनी है, नजरों में नजरें डाल के बात करनी है, बोलो।
And I am not one of them. So and and then it he becomes a big child.
कॉपी हटा दो तुम्हारे पास में से, कॉपी की जरूरत ही नहीं है, यू नीड नॉट एनी नोटबुक। यस, कम ऑन।
Then he becomes a big child, in the age of 10 or 5 to 10, and here he learns about education, how to study, how to read, how to play, how to reply, how to respect, how to observe, how to feel,
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश। हाँ।
like everything essential.
हम्म।
And also after this age He is likely in the middle school or in the 6th, 7th, 8th class. And he is learning about science and maths and SST. And after this age comes the teenage age, which is likely from some people accept it from 13 to 18, or some people argue that it's 13 to 19, or some people argue that it's 11 to 20.
Hmm.
So, but I likely think it's 13 to 18. In this age, he is likely in the high
Likely
school.
क्यों use कर रहे हो आप?
He's in the high school. He's or she is in the high school and learning about more study and also playing games and enjoying his or her life. But then after 18, there comes the young or the adult era where he takes responsibilities. He or she takes the responsibilities. He or she has the pressure to get a job and get a good salaried job and likely settle for the
Likely,
after
why are you using likely?
and settle for the afterlife or the retirement. So then after he gets the job, everyone is celebrating, then he marries, then he gets the children, and after in the old era when he is he's in the retirement era and enjoying the few last moments of his or her life, playing with his or her grandchildrens and just doing some other activities like writing books. Some people like write books, and some people read books. Some people uh, learn gardening.
Very
Some
good, very good.
and I have also seen some playing games. And after this, he passes out. He passes out, and everyone is just in sadness, and also, and then he goes to the heaven or hell. It depends.
बोलो बोलो यार, जो तुम्हारे मन में है बोलो यार तुम। पूरी
It
झूठ है तुम्हारे को
depends
यहाँ
on
तो बोलने की।
his life or her life. And then he takes birth and repeats this cycle until the end of Kali Yuga. Then he will live Satyug. That's it. Thank you, sir.
मजा आ गया यार आज तो। ऐसे बोला कर, वेरी गुड शाबाश। नाम लिख अपना, नहीं तो एब्सेंट लगी हुई है तेरी सुगली। अभी नहीं,
Sir?
नाम लिख चुपचाप। नाम लिख दे फटाफट, आजा नाम लिख के। काजल आजा बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kanjal Meena. Today, my topic is age. You know that
डू यू नो
when
क्यों? यू नो दैट, डू यू नो क्यों?
we all know that, sir.
अच्छा, तो नोज आना चाहिए फिर। बोल
Okay, sir.
बोल बोल बोल
Uh,
बोल।
a person has a different type of ages, and I'm telling about when a baby is born. It is called infant, and uh, after it the age is come when a baby is called children, and
वर्ब पे फोकस करो बेटा थोड़ा सा। बोलो बोलो।
baby is called uh, child. This age, a, ba- a child learn many things, and he learn how to walk, how to speak, and how to conversation with others,
हाँ
and he learn many new things, and he starting to go school, and
starting क्यों starts?
he starts go school,
Hmm.
and he learn many things, and he learn manners, uh, and many things, and after it the age is come, it
Is
is
come
called
is come is come
after
कैसे आएगा बेटा?
after this the young age is start.
Is start कैसे हो जाएगा? इसके साथ में फर्स्ट फॉर्म
Sorry sir.
starts बेटा.
Okay sir.
हम्म.
Is starts
फिर इज बोल दिया. अरे इस क्यों आएगा बेटा? बीटा वर्ब थोड़ी है, मेन वर्ब भी तो है ना.
yes sir.
तो फिर ध्यान दे, थोड़ा सा फोकस कर, आगे बोल.
The age starts
हम्म.
young age, and in this age uh, a person learn many new things and face many different situations, and he the in this age man uh, man grows.
हम्म.
he he uh, he in this age man learn, he suffering, he
सफर्स. हाँ.
suffers many situations,
हम्म.
and he he has man. सर मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ बोली, बोल बेटा, बोल, आ रही है बेटा.
ओके सर.
क्या हुआ?
पता नहीं सर, फोन में पता नहीं क्या
तो
हो रहा है.
अगली बार बोल रहा हूँ, तो 2 मिनट रुक. ठीक है.
नहीं सर, हो गया.
हाँ
अब
बोल.
ठीक है.
हाँ घबराए मत बेटा, आराम से बोल.
ओके सर. in this age uh, in this age man learned many different things, and he uh, faces many situations, and he uh, he see man he sees many new things, and knows about these things, and in this age man grows, and he this is the age when a person a per- this is the age when a person can decide how what he want to do, and what he uh, don't want to do, and he learn uh, how to handle or or emotions, and he learn about or emotions, and in this age man suffers many different things and situations, and he face many difficulties,
सुनो,
and
चाय बना लेना एक कप.
in this age man decide how how to how to uh, how to man decide how to do better
शाबाश
things,
शाबाश शाबाश.
how to achieve or success, and after 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 this adult age is come,
इज कम, फिर
and
वो कम. इज कम कम्स. हम्म.
adult age starts.
हाँ.
This age uh, man a person a person for a person is called सिर्फ क्या बोलेंगे, mature,
हम्म.
and he in this age man man has learned most of things, and he can handle or emotions, and he can handle how
आवर
to
क्यों
face.
आएगा? हिज आएगा ना, आवर इमोशन क्यों, हिज इमोशंस आएगा? ही बोल रहा है ना तुमने, ए मैन। हाँ।
He can handle
हाँ
his
हाँ
emotions, and he can handle his situations, and how to face difficulties, and he can, in this age, a man achieves or goals, and or ambitions, and in this age, this is the age when a person has learned many things, and he after it, the old age old age starts,
हाँ,
and
ऐसे ध्यान रखा कर बेटा। हाँ।
and this is the last stage of age, and a man has learned most of the things, and he face he has
फेसेस।
faced
हम्म
many situations, and he has a lot of experience
हम्म
this age, and this is age is like childhood, and the in this age a person behave like a child, and he most of the most of time he he has lose his memory, and he can uh, he सर उसको क्या बोलेंगे कि वो बहुत सारी चीजों को भूलना स्टार्ट कर देता है,
ही स्टार्ट्स
और
फॉरगेटिंग मैनी थिंग्स।
he starts forgetting many things, and his body his body don't work properly.
डजंट वर्क। हिज बॉडी सिंगुलर है ना, डजंट वर्क आएगा ना, डोंट वर्क कैसे आएगा? हम्म आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
That's it, sir.
ओके
तो दीदी का
ओके। थोड़ा सा बेटा ग्रामेटिकल चीजों पे फोकस करना है ना बेटा? हाँ, बाकी तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सब ठीक है। यस, कम ऑन लक्ष्मी।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gudar. Today our topic is age. As you know that age means that a person move towards in different type of age, and it is called age. And as you know that there are 6 type of age, and as you know that the age learn us many things.
टीचर यस।
Yes, sir. The age teaches us many things, and age start in in infant age. In this age, in this age, children totally depend on their parents, and they don't know how to eat and how to working, and in this age the parent parents parents care their children, and they and in this age the children don't know how to speak, and after that there comes teenage,
शाबाश।
and in this age children go to school, and they know about many things, and they can understand, and and they they have completed their school life, and after it the young age start, and in this age they have to face many difficulties like related study and other things, and they have to work hard for their bright future, and in this age they complete they complete their education, and they they start to work hard to they start to work, and after it, as you know that adult age come, and in this age they have a lot of responsibility related their families and other persons, and they have to face many difficulties, and they have to earn money for their livelihood and also family,
शाबाश
and in this age they learn many things, and they know about behavior of other persons and person, and and they they know about feeling and emotion of many person, and after it the old age start, and in this age a person totally depend on their next generation, and they feel weakness, and they have and wrinkles slowly appear their on their face, and and in this age they have to survive very badly, and in this age they don't capable, they
they are
don't. Yes sir.
they are not capable.
Yes sir, they are not capable to work hard, and as you know that we learn many things by, सर गुजरना को क्या बोलते हैं, by
गुजरना
passing many age, that's it sir.
वेरी गुड यार, बहुत अच्छा करने लग गए बेटा, शाबाश। यस वैष्णवी आजा।
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. I'm Vaishnavi, and today our speaking topic is age. You know that age refers to the length of
शाबाश,
time a person has
बहुत
been
बढ़िया।
alive or an object has existed, and you know that age is divided into many category like infant age, childhood age, and mature age, young age, and adult age, and old age also. I'm telling about the infant age. In this age, you know, a baby is born, and he or she don't know about, you know, about the world.
You can use it at the place of he or she for a child.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
carry on. हाँ,
It, you know, it doesn't know how to behave or how to communicate with others, and because it is a very it is a very, you know, infant boy or baby girl, and 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 after this age, childhood age means the in this age the a boy or girl learns how to behave with elders, teachers, and with other persons, and and it understand, you know, the manners, and manners, communication, etc. And this in this age, he or she go to the, you know, school, and after this age, the next is mature age. As we can see, as we can say, the teenage age. In this age, this age starts from the 11 to 11 to 19, and this age is very, you know, this age is very sensitive age,
शाबाश शाबाश, घबराए मत, धीरे धीरे
and
बोला कर, तसल्ली से सोच सोच के, आराम से, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है बेटा, है ना। वेरी गुड, बहुत
And
अच्छा.
this
हाँ.
age is very sensitive age,
हम्म.
and in this age we don't know about what is right and what is wrong, and we don't know what is right or wrong, and after this age, the next age is the adult age. In this age, the person knows about how to communicate with others, and
शाबाश
they
शाबाश.
and they understand the others' behaviors,
हम्म.
and they know that the world that how to behave with others,
हम्म.
and in this age is very difficult age, and we have to face the some situations like studying problem and job problems, and some feelings towards to the persons, and
To the people.
to the people,
हम्म.
and they understand the responsibility of parents,
हम्म.
and jobs,
शाबाश
work,
शाबाश. हम्म.
and college life also, etc.
हम्म.
And after this age, old age. In this age,
पूरा
the
बोला.
person
After this age comes the old age.
after this,
Is.
the next is
हाँ ऐसे बोल दो. Next
the
next
next
is
is
next is old age ऐसे बोल दो.
the next is old age. In this age, the person knows everything, and they totally depend to their next generation,
हम्म.
and they feel very weakness, and they wanted that their generation to be care themselves,
हम्म.
and so this was the concept I tell you about the age. Thank you. That's it,
शाबाश,
sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. आराम से बोला करो बेटा, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है ना. सोच सोच के, तसल्ली से, ग्रामर पे फोकस करके, है ना बेटा. हाँ वेरी गुड बेटा, बस करते रहो कोशिश. एंड नाउ दिस इज द टर्न ऑफ आफ्टर वैष्णवी खुशी.
यस सर. सर आवाज आ रही है ना?
आ रही है बेटा.
Okay, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. My name is Khushi Gujar. I am telling about different types of age. You know very well, age means in a number of years, and after born we are infant. That time we can't walking, and we can't speak.
फर्स्ट फॉर्म आएगी ना.
Yes,
वॉकिंग कैसे आएगा बेटा?
yes sir. And speaking, we are totally depend on our parents, and that time we need care, and after 1 year, we starts walking gradually, and running, and learning first words,
हाँ शाबाश शाबाश.
and after this age, our childhood starts. In this age, we start going school, and playing games, and that time we start learning reading, and playing a lot, and we are curious in this age
शाबाश
a
शाबाश,
lot.
वेरी गुड. घबराया मत करो, बिल्कुल आराम से बोलो, मस्त होके बोला करो. हाँ.
Yes sir. After this age, teenage age starts, in this age we make many friends and we build our identity
Identity.
identity. uh, in this age change our mood. Sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are angry,
There is a
and
change in our mood.
and
जब we have mood swings. कोई बात नहीं, बोलो बेटा, बोलो, घबराओ मत. रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर सुना करो, पता चलेगा क्या कैसे करेक्शन हुआ है. हाँ बोल बेटा.
say our body need different type of changing quickly, and after this age our adult age starts.
शाबाश.
In this we start going college, job, and becoming most of the people get married in this age, and in this age we have a lot of dreams, and we follow our dreams in this age. And after this age middle adulthood starts.
शाबाश.
In this age we have family, we have
बहुत बढ़िया
responsibilities,
बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा. हाँ.
and our life become totally stable, and we have a lot of works, and we are busy in this age. And after it old age starts. In this age our body is become weak, and we start forgetting many things.
शाबाश. हाँ बेटा, बोल बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. बोल, धीरे धीरे बोलो, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं बेटा. हाँ.
In this age we have a lot of experience of life.
हाँ.
And our hair turns white color, and at last I want to say that each age has its own beauties. Like childhood is for playing, and
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड,
young
वेरी बढ़िया.
age is
शाबाश.
for learning, and old age is for wisdom. And we can't stop age, and we should respect and enjoy every age of our life. That's it, sir.
अरे वाह यार बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. यस, वेरी गुड. अन्नू.
Yes, sir.
आजा बेटा, आजा.
Okay,
आजा
sir.
मेरा बच्चा, आजा.
So, hello everyone. Today's my topic is about age. So, as you know, so our age starts
बेटा
from.
टॉपिक पे फोकस करना, आजा ना.
Okay, sir.
हाँ बेटा, हाँ, उस दिन की तरह नहीं. हाँ बोल बेटा.
When we born. So, as you know, when I born, my mother is sleeping on a bed, and I am in a.
एम क्यों आएगा बेटा? पास्ट की बात बता रही है ना.
I
माय
born.
मदर वाज स्लीपिंग ऑन द बेड. ऐसे पास्ट की बात है ना बेटा. ये सेंटेंस तो पास्ट में आएगा ना बेटा.
Yes, sir.
आराम से बोल बेटा. हाँ.
I was in a baby cart.
हाँ, ऐसे तसल्ली से बेटा, धीरे धीरे, है ना बेटा. गलतियां कम से कम हो बेटा.
Okay, sir. Sleeping over there.
हाँ बोल. आराम.
And my dadi, my sister of my dadi, my nani, my mama, I think my all relatives, but some relatives are not there because
अपने बारे में नहीं
I
बताना है, अपने बारे में बहुत कम बताना है, जनरलाइज करो टॉपिक को.
okay sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Because my dada is not in this world.
Okay.
So I am telling about the as you
जनरलाइज
know
करो बेटा, टॉपिक को जनरलाइज करो बेटा, है ना बेटा.
when you are of I think 1 and 2 years, you know some words to speak.
शाबाश, ऐसे. हाँ, बोल बेटा, बोल बेटा.
You can share your some things with your mother and your brother or sisters. Very few things.
शाबाश, शाबाश.
But when you are of 5 or 6,
अब सेकंड पर्सन भी यूज नहीं करना है. समवन, एनीवन ऐसे यूज करो.
okay, well.
है ना बेटा.
Sir,
जनरलाइज करने का मतलब फर्स्ट पर्सन सेकंड पर्सन को कम से कम यूज करके जनरलाइज करो, जनरल बात करो.
Okay, sir.
ओके, आगे बोल बेटा. हाँ,
When we are, sir, is here.
हाँ बोल दो, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ, चलेगा.
When we are of 5 or 6 years old, we can explain our thoughts, but in sir totally language को क्या बोलते हैं?
In hammering sound.
In hammering, and your relatives laugh on you, but only I think on 5 or 6 years old children do it. Then after it we are of I think 10 and 15 years old. Then we know the meaning of life. Then we understood to whom we have to talk and
शाबाश.
to whom
ऐसे फ्लो
not.
आने लगा. बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. फोकस कर, फ्लो आएगा बेटा. हाँ.
And
हाँ.
we can explain our thoughts in very well way. And after it we have the tension of the job, what we do and what we not. And then we have to live alone for 1 or 2 years, I think more than it, for studies or etc. Like Harshit Bhaiya has gone for his studies etc. So after it we are, I think we are married. After it we are married, and after we are married, our children has taken the birth. You imagine that there is a time when you was sleeping over a bed with your mother in hospital, and now this is the time when you are sleeping with your children
बहुत बढ़िया.
who is there. You can imagine it.
इंटेलिजेंट लड़की है. हाँ.
Then we come on the old age. As you know, on old age we are like a dog. We are sitting outside by keeping sir ध्यान को क्या बोलते
By
हैं?
keeping an eye.
By keeping an eye on everyone, that she is going there, he is going there.
Very good.
And you are reading a newspaper morning,
शाबाश.
a cup of tea in morning to night.
क्या क्या बोलते हो यार? हाँ, और बोल.
And after it we get died, and we have the tension of where we go, in hell or heaven. But we should not have this tension because we have many lives. We can
क्या बोलते हो यार?
be in experience of heaven, in hell, etc. We have not the tension of this. So then we take the birth again, and then this cycle.
Okay.
That's it.
अरे वाह, मजा आ गया यार, शाबाश।
सर एक चीज और बोलिए सर,
बोल दे तू, मन में मत रख, बोल दे।
So as you know that at the first time we are like we are like humans only, that we do the enjoy that we can, and after it we are like a cow or buffalo.
Sorry, you have taken the name of all the animals. Yes, right.
A buffalo. Then buffalo, like we do our work, we take care of our children, and
Like buffalo. Okay, nice speaking, very good, yeah.
and then we are like a dog. What I have explained, so that's it.
Very good, very good. Shaba, have you started writing?
Yes, sir.
Very good. One day send me any piece of your writing, okay? Very good. Shabash. Now Aditya, padaro. Bhai sahab.
Sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and today's our topic is age. So as you all know that there are 5 stages of age. First stage is a baby age, which is about 1 to 2 year old, and we don't know what is the how to speak in this world, how to chat about how we understand and these things, how to solve this problem. We don't know who are our mother and father, etc. And but slowly we learn some things like about loud like first thing is our mobile phone. And then the next stage is child age, which is about 1 to 3 year old. And at age we try to work and with the help of our wall and any door, etc. And we don't and we know a new thing who he and she our mother and father. And then the next stage is kid age, which is about 5 to 11 year. And in this age a kid knows so many things. They know how we can use AI and how to take online classes, how to use our mobile phone, how to speak other people and give a reply of their questions, etc. And then the other age is teenage is which is very nice age, because in this age teenagers do anything for their career, like anyone want to become a gamer, and they want and they start upload videos in this age, etc. And we in 10th or 12th class about my thinking, and in this age we some teenagers don't obey obey their parents, etc. And then next stage is adult age. In this age a man या woman start their career and know the secrets of this world, and how to give your introduction and how to speak in interviews, and how to and which things we should do in our job. And then in this age I think a man and woman do marry become married.
Shabash.
and then the last stage is old age. In this age, our muscles became lazy and they have no power. And in the future we face so many problems. We have not money, and we became retire and we became
बिकेम
retire
क्यों आ जाएगा?
for
बिकम ही तो आएगा. बिकेम क्यों आएगा बेटा?
become retire for our job.
फ्रॉम आवर जॉब. फॉर नहीं, फ्रॉम आवर जॉब.
Yeah, from our job, and our children give money and earn money for himself and our parents. And that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. शाबाश. अंजू रानी. ओ अंजू रानी,
Hello, sir.
आजा बेटा.
Yes, sir. So,
क्या हुआ? आजा बेटा. हेलो. हाँ आजा बेटा, आजा बेटा. आवाज नहीं आ रहा बेटा तेरा. माइक चालू कर.
hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and today's topic is age. The stages of age. So, the first stage of age, that musty stage.
मस्ती स्टेज.
First musty
हाँ
stage,
हाँ.
that we don't know how to walk,
हम्म,
how to speak, and we can't remember the faces
हम्म,
that time.
हम्म,
And after that time, at the age of 6, 7, 8,
हम्म,
that was musty time also,
हम्म,
and studying time,
हम्म,
musty time,
हम्म,
and we do musty study and other things. That, and after that, a teenager stage come, where we come in 6th, 7th, 8th, or 9th.
हम्म, हम्म,
So we study, we don't have any pressures, and we just study at that time. At that adult or teen time, 12th, that have the pressure, that get a good job, and vagera vagera. So that called a pressure time,
हाँ,
means adult time. So after that, if we got a job, a great job,
गेट आएगा ना. गॉट
so
क्यों
when
आएगा?
got a great job,
गेट.
so then he marries,
बेटा गेट ही तो आएगा. ओपन कंडीशन है ना. बोल, आगे बोल.
get some children, and when he got means older,
एल्डर. हाँ ओल्डर. ओके बोलो.
so at that time, people read books or write books. They play, sometimes I saw playing games and other things. And that time that he dies, that he is gone, so everyone sad and that time. So after that, he goes in hell or heaven. Depends on him, that what did Karam, what he did.
हम्म,
So that this is the lifestyle, the stages of a human living being. That's it, sir.
शाबाश. सुनती है अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग? सुना कर बेटा, है ना बेटा. और अच्छा हो जाएगा. वेरी गुड. शाबाश. कोई रह तो नहीं गया? आई थिंक ऑल हैव टेकन देयर टर्न. थैंक यू वेरी मच.